Kaylin, what? Kaylin, show Grandma your tummy. Ojitos, Kaylin, give me ojitos. Kaylin, can you say duck?
Yeah.
You can say duck. And ball.
What?
Uh-oh.
Say duck. You say Grandpa duck?
Yeah.
All right. Can you show me your belly button? Tummy?
Where's your tummy? He's asking you.
Can you do ojitos?
Yeah.
Ojitos? Huh? You love your grandpa?
Dad? Hello.
Hi.
Hi, here's Kaylin. No, that took it off speaker. Say hi, Kaylin. Say hi. Oh, you want me to talk on it? Okay.
Working out is number one with bears that wanna have fun. Oh, bears just wanna have fun. And those little bears, they wanna have fun. Touch your dog.
Give me a kissy face. Give me a kissy face. That's not a kissy face. Give me a kissy face. Oh, mwah, I love you too. Mwah, mwah, I love you. Oh, you burped. I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Can you give me a kissy face? Like this. Hey, where's your nose? Show me your nose. Where's your nose? You want to grab my nose? Okay. Where's your nose now? Ah, there's your nose. Hey, Kaylin. Kaylin, turn around. I don't want to see your head. Turn around. Turn around. Tickle you. Show me your nose. Show me your nose. Where's Kaylin's nose? Where's Kaylin? Sit down. Sit down. Hey, where's Kaylin? Oh, there she is. Peekaboo. Play peekaboo with me. Hey. Hey, where's Kaylin? Peekaboo. Oh, Kaylin. Okay. Hey, where's your nose? Show me your nose. There's your nose. There's Kaylin's nose. Hey, pay attention to me. Where's your nose? You're just being a booger. You're being a little booger. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Hey. Hey, where's your nose? Where's your nose? There's your nose. Where's your nose? Where's your eyes? Hey, where's your lengua? Lengua. Yeah. And your dientes? Where's your dientes? Show me your dientes. Show me your lengua. Show me your lengua. Hey. Kaylin, don't ignore me.